Now that you have this file saved on your computer, you do have to save it or rename it or do anything with it, you do have to close the file before doing that. But now that you have it saved on your computer, you can go to the rest of the prompts, which is, next one is step 1. You're going to do something called summing. So here you want to look at the total number of medals that each country has won. So this nice thing, I'm going to move the prompt over here. So in F11, so how do you find F11? F11 is right here. And you are going to just add this 40, 44, and 42. In a calculator, you can actually do this, but the problem is that you have a whole bunch of these to do, and you don't want to like sit there with your government issued calculator and do all that. So what you're going to do is you're going to sum this total here. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you do is you type an equal sign, and that lets Excel know that you're running a formula. You're actually going to do a formula. And then you're going to put the word sum, and what you want to sum here is the 40, 44, and 42, but 40 is in C, column C, row 11, and you want to really sum all the way from C11 all the way to E11. So instead of actually typing in 40 plus 44 plus 42, you're going to put C11 to E11, and the 2 is a colon. And what Excel knows is that that's the formula for adding anything all the way across. And then you're going to hit the other parenthesis and then hit enter. And that's going to sum up that total. Now, if you put your cursor in that particular cell and you go to this, the bottom corner has this little box on it. See, your cursor looks like a thick cross, but when you highlight over this piece, you're actually going to see it become a little thin cross. You'll do that and you scroll it down and it repeats the formula, whatever formula had in each of the rows. So if I go over to the row with the Chinese, I'm going to see that up here in the top in the formula, it's summing C13 to E13. And, oh, that was Great Britain, I'm sorry. So Great Britain is in row 13, and so the formula adjusted itself. While it was C11 to E11 up on this one, when I scrolled down, this became C12 to E12, and so forth down the line. Okay. That is summing.